Hello, good afternoon. My name is Barb Groff. I work for Echo Consulting, and today I wanted to talk about three highlighted features that I have found in Monday.com, and I wanted to share them with you. I'll give you a little background. Echo Consulting is a project management company, solution company. We focus on maximizing return of investment for businesses, both technical and on their business projects. And we are based out of Vermont. We have clients both internationally and nationally, and work on all different kinds of projects. We do project staff aug, we do tool selection, we do tool optimization and implementation, some PMO, and really across the board of project management. We just really love sharing our knowledge with our clients and letting them have more efficient project management solutions in place. So these are the ECHO values. We really learn, share, care, and grow. We really enjoy teaching and guiding and coaching consulting our clients in project management. At the same time, we honestly love to share our insights and what we know and what we learned to make their processes more efficient and kind of better functioning. And we also like them to grow. And by that, we mean that we really want them to become self-sufficient in their project management. We're not here to do long-term staff aug. We really want to get them on the right page and going in the right direction. And it's a great experience. I feel very lucky to work for Echo. So today I'm going to talk to you about Echo Consulting, sharing three features that I have used. We use many project management solution applications. I've recently been using Monday and found these three features. They really, when I found them, they really started to cut down on the time I was doing in my builds and kind of simplify communication and interaction, integrations back and forth with other systems. So I want to share them with you. The first one is a duplicate custom automations for ease and automation management. The second one is integration with sync to Outlook Calendar. That's a two-way sync. And then the third is a shared document templates, which really helps in your documentation management and organization of data. So the first one I'm going to talk about is the custom automation duplication. Pretty sure this is a pretty new feature out by Monday.com. Very easy to use. The custom automation cuts down on time spending building automations. I also found that it really helped keep my automations consistent in the way that I was wording them and applying them out to the board. So you can do this in the action menu. On the right of the automation is an automation list, and a copy of the selected automation will open when you click in the custom automation builder for editing and modifying. And then you hit create, and you will now have a copy of the custom automation. Modify as you need and save. So this is, I highlighted the little box here where you can click the duplicate automation. You can then edit it, and then you can save it and it'll come in as a new one. Pretty simple to use, but it did save a lot of time. The second one is the Outlook sync. This is a great feature within Monday.com. It's a two-way sync, which I think is not as common. It really helps you become more aligned and can provide seamless work with the items in your email box while you're in your Monday.com application and working on your boards. So there's three recipes that Outlook has brought in, that Monday.com has created. The first one is an outgoing, and that's from Monday.com to the Outlook calendar. The second one is outgoing also, and it's from Monday.com to your Outlook calendar when a person in a column is assigned. And then the third is incoming, so that's from your Outlook calendar into Monday. So the three recipes look like this. The first one, when an item is created or updated, you create an event in the Outlook calendar and you sync future changes from this board, and you can add that to your board. And then the event is created in Outlook calendar, create an item and sync the future changes to your Outlook calendar. And the third, when a person is assigned to someone, create an event in Outlook calendar and sync future changes from this board. So the really cool thing about this, I think, is that you can use 1, 2, or 3 of these syncs, and you can use all 3 at the same time. So it really beefs up that integration. They did a good job with that one. The third feature I'm going to talk about is WorkDoc Templates. So y'all know that in your files column, you can add documents to a task or a row in your Outlook board. The work docs are a great collaborative tool for project management. They really have multiple functions. I think it helps in your documentation control and version control and sharing those with other people that you want to have access to that board. Incorporate work docs into the files column keeps the documents centered in one place, which is a great feature. You don't have to go searching. And they're really easy to use. You create the document templates and use them just like you do your boards. And you click to do that, you click into the files column, you click on this doc that I have highlighted in blue, and then you save it as a template. So when you do that, you're going to come up to the next screen and you can go into document templates with this icon, and you'll view your templates that you choose in there. Those are all the templates that you have saved and created. I think this really helps with version control. It helps with time. You're not recreating, and it also helps with the formatting because you keep it consistent. So those are the 3 features that I have found work great in Monday.com. I was thankful to find them, and I wanted to share them with you so that you could also have those insights. We here at Echo are here to help with your project management solutions. You can go to either our Echo webpage, which is echoprojectmanagement.com, or you can email me at barb@echoconsultingpm.com. And either way, you can ask to meet or send me an email and we can chat about your needs in project management solutions. And I hope these Monday.com features help you out in your projects. Thank you.